We're here on the set of Military Makeover. I'm designer Jennifer Bertrand, and I can make a house beautiful, but if the temperature control is not done well and right, what's the point of great design? That's why we have our friends here from Goodman. Michael, thank you for being here. Honestly, you guys are helping this family big time with one of our core basics. What are we giving them?
So right now it's not installed, but when it is, this is a Goodman 16-SEER 2-stage heat pump system. So it's going to keep them nice and cool in the summertime and nice and warm in the wintertime. This one actually has 2 speeds, has a 2-speed compressor. So once the unit comes on and it hits that set point, right, it's going to stay in low speed all the way through until it shuts off. And same thing in the wintertime. Once it heats that house up, it gets a certain speed, right, or a certain temperature in the house, it's going to ride on low heating stage all the way down to where it shuts off. So it's going to save these folks a lot of money and keep this house nice and the temperature nice and crisp and clean.
I think that's one of those trigger words right there, or phrases, is saving a lot of money. And it's one of those things that it's such a good investment for the home, and it's one of those key factors that, like, temperature is very customized now. So everyone likes a different temperature to have it set at. My in-laws, they like it hot like Miami. I like a nice cool temperature. Are you finding everyone's living differently?
That's right. It seems like some folks like it super hot, like you said, and some like my sweetie pie, she likes it really super cold at night, and I'm shivering most of the time. So yeah, people like it the way they like it, and that's just the way it is. So this system actually helps them do that. So along with what we've done here, we actually added brand spanking new ductwork to this home, right? So these folks, before we even arrived, they actually tore out all the old stuff. We had all kind of stuff inside of it, all kind of mold and mildew, and it needed to go. So these folks actually pulled all that out. They replaced all the ductwork, and now we're adding a 4-inch media filter and a UV light along with brand spanking new ductwork. So
this is music to my ears. Thank you. No, I tell my clients it's about doing it once and doing it right.
That's right.
And these kind of things, you don't want to do anything half-heartedly. And wellness is really big in design right now. So as people are adding skylights, bigger windows, and all of that, it's really about updating your system to fit with your lifestyle and your home. And you guys, every time, up the game. You bring it for our families, which we really appreciate. But more importantly, I want to thank Goodman, because you guys have been on every makeover I have, which is a lot, and you have always helped every family. So thank you, because this is one of those core basics of importance in every home.
That's right. So we really appreciate being here. We love helping out veterans. So thank you very much for having us here.
Yay! Now that's the fun part, where I get to leave you guys to do the work and I go back to work. Bye.
All righty.
Thank goodness. Thank goodness for Goodman.